Imagine a future where AI not only automates tasks but redefines the fabric of entire industries. Where businesses can predict and prevent problems, rather than just react to them. A future that's not just possible, but inevitable. In recent years, we've witnessed an explosion in AI advancements, from IBM's Watson to Google's DeepMind. But what lies beyond the surface level? What secrets are being hidden behind closed doors? We're about to take a peek inside the top 5 breakthroughs that will revolutionize your industry forever. Meet Dr. Demis Hassabis, co-founder of DeepMind and a pioneer in AI research. He once said, "The goal is to create machines that can learn on their own, without being explicitly programmed." And now, we're seeing the fruits of his labor. Breakthroughs like AlphaGo's crushing defeat of human champions in Go, setting a new standard for artificial intelligence. But what happens when AI goes beyond just playing games? What if it could cure diseases, improve crop yields, or optimize energy consumption? We'll explore how researchers at MIT are using machine learning to predict and prevent hospital-acquired infections. This breakthrough has the potential to save thousands of lives annually. What about industries like finance and logistics? How can AI transform them from slow-moving behemoths into agile innovators? We'll delve into the world of explainable AI, developed by researchers at Stanford, which enables machines to provide clear explanations for their decisions. This technology could revolutionize everything from stock trading to supply chain management. These are just a few examples of what lies ahead. Buckle up as we explore the top 5 breakthroughs that will transform your industry with infinite AI capabilities. Get ready to witness the future in all its glory. Welcome to the most revolutionary episode of innovation you'll ever watch. We're about to embark on a journey that will transform your industry forever with the infinite capabilities of artificial intelligence. For decades, AI has been advancing at an unprecedented rate, but nothing can compare to the sheer magnitude of breakthroughs we're witnessing today. At the heart of these innovations lies the convergence of human creativity and machine learning algorithms. Researchers like Andrew Ng, the co-founder of Google Brain and Coursera, have been instrumental in pioneering this fusion. Ng's work on deep learning has enabled AI systems to learn from vast amounts of data, mimicking the human brain's neural networks. One area where AI is making significant strides is in computer vision. Companies like NVIDIA are developing GPUs that can process images at incredible speeds, while also improving accuracy and reducing power consumption. For instance, a recent study demonstrated how an NVIDIA GPU could classify images with 99.9% accuracy, outperforming human experts in certain tasks. Another breakthrough area is natural language processing, NLP. Language models like BERT and Roberta have pushed the boundaries of conversational AI. Developed by researchers at Google and Facebook respectively, these models can comprehend context, nuances, and even generate coherent text. The implications for industries like customer service, education, and content creation are vast. As we explore these 5 game-changing technologies, you'll see how they're being applied in various sectors to drive innovation and disruption. From predictive maintenance to personalized medicine, AI is revolutionizing the way we work, live, and interact with each other. But what's most exciting is that these advancements are only the beginning, as we continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with infinite AI capabilities. As we delve deeper into the top 5 breakthroughs that will revolutionize your industry with infinite AI capabilities, let's take a closer look at the key development and evidence driving these transformations. One such breakthrough is the emergence of explainable artificial intelligence, or XAI for short. Developed by researchers at MIT, XAI enables AI systems to provide clear and transparent explanations for their decisions, eliminating the black box problem that has plagued the field for years. Studies have shown that when users are presented with AI-driven recommendations accompanied by explanations, they experience a significant increase in trust and acceptance of the system's output. In fact, a study conducted by researchers at Stanford University revealed that when users were given explanations for AI-driven job recommendations, their satisfaction rates increased by as much as 22%. This has far-reaching implications for industries such as healthcare, finance, and education, where transparency is crucial. Another key development is the advancements in transfer learning, which allows AI models to leverage pre-trained knowledge and fine-tune it on specific tasks. This enables AI systems to adapt quickly to new domains and applications, reducing the time and resources required for training from months to mere hours. According to a study published by Google researchers, transfer learning has been shown to improve performance by as much as 90% in certain applications. The work of researcher Yann LeCun, a key figure behind the development of convolutional neural networks, highlights the importance of transfer learning in achieving state-of-the-art results on a wide range of tasks. As we continue to push the boundaries of AI capabilities, it's clear that these breakthroughs will have a profound impact on various industries and transform the way we live and work. As we dive deeper into the top 5 breakthroughs that will transform your industry with infinite AI capabilities, let's examine the real-world implications of each technology. Starting with natural language processing, it's no surprise that companies like Google and Microsoft are already leveraging this capability to revolutionize customer service. According to a study by Gartner, by 2025, more than 30% of all customer interactions will be handled by virtual assistants. But what does this mean for industries like healthcare, where communication is a critical aspect? Imagine having a doctor's assistant that can not only understand your symptoms but also empathize with you and provide personalized advice. Another breakthrough, transfer learning, has allowed researchers at Facebook to train an AI model on image recognition tasks with astonishing accuracy. This technology has far-reaching implications for industries like retail and e-commerce. For instance, Walmart is already using AI-powered visual inspection to detect counterfeit products in their supply chain. Meanwhile, reinforcement learning is enabling companies like Amazon to optimize warehouse logistics and streamline delivery routes. According to a report by McKinsey, AI can potentially increase productivity by 20% and reduce costs by up to 15%. But what about industries that rely on creativity and innovation? How will they adapt to the increasing presence of intelligent machines? The truth is, these breakthroughs are not mutually exclusive, in fact, they're often interconnected. The convergence of these technologies will give rise to new applications we can't yet imagine. Take for instance, the concept of explainable AI, which has the potential to revolutionize industries like finance and healthcare by making complex decisions transparent. But what's most fascinating is that these technologies are not just transforming individual industries, they're also blurring the lines between them. For example, a company like Tesla is using AI to develop autonomous vehicles, but they're also leveraging this technology to optimize energy consumption and renewable energy production. As we continue to explore these breakthroughs, it's becoming increasingly clear that the future of work will not be about humans versus machines, but rather about collaboration between both. So what does this mean for you and your industry? As we continue our journey into the top 5 breakthroughs that will revolutionize industries with infinite AI capabilities, we're about to reach a critical turning point. At number 3 on our list is a major revelation in the field of natural language processing, specifically around context-aware dialogue systems. Led by researchers at MIT, this groundbreaking technology has made significant strides in understanding the nuances of human communication. What's remarkable is that these AI-powered chatbots can now detect subtle cues, such as tone and intent, allowing them to respond with uncanny accuracy. This breakthrough has far-reaching implications for customer service, where humans often struggle to navigate complex conversations. Imagine a world where AI-driven support agents can resolve issues with empathy and precision, reducing frustration and increasing satisfaction. According to a recent study published in the Journal of Human-Computer Interaction, this context-aware dialogue system was able to outperform human operators in 70% of cases, achieving a response accuracy rate of over 95%. The implications are staggering. With this technology, companies can now scale their customer support capabilities exponentially, reducing operational costs while improving the overall user experience. As we delve deeper into this breakthrough, it's clear that the potential applications extend far beyond traditional industries. Imagine AI-powered therapists, able to offer compassionate guidance and support to those struggling with mental health issues. Or AI-driven teaching assistants, capable of personalizing education for students with unique learning needs. The possibilities are endless, and the future is looking brighter than ever before. We're just 2 breakthroughs away from unveiling the most transformative innovation yet, a game-changer that will redefine the very fabric of industry as we know it. Stay tuned. As we've explored the top 5 breakthroughs that will revolutionize your industry with infinite AI capabilities, it's clear that the future is brighter than ever. From automating mundane tasks to making groundbreaking discoveries,